Look at the baby. She can walk again. Do you want to show the camera how you can walk? Okay. You can get down off the couch? Great job.
Okay.
Is that your tubie? Is your tape coming off? And come see the Christmas tree? Come stand by the Christmas tree. Do you like the Christmas tree? Do you like all the lights? Look at Natalie walking all by herself. You're doing so great.
I want to see Grandma.
You want to see the camera?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, camera. You're so cute, Natalie. Do you like the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Do you want to look at the decorations? Come over here. Inside these boxes are decorations. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, open this box.
Let's open it. Oh no.
What is it?
Toy.
You think it's a toy?
Yeah.
I think it's Christmas decorations
Decorations.
to put on the Christmas tree. Can you take it out?
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Ooh.
What else?
What else?
What's that?
What's in that bag? There's stuff inside the bag. Those are called stockings. Stockings.
Look.
Oh, look at those. Those are glass balls.
Guys, balls.
What color are they? Oopsie. Let's leave them there. Let's not put them back. It's okay. We'll just take them out of there and put them on the tree. Because they're glass, so they can break really easily. So we have to be very gentle with them. Hi, cutie. I see you. You're hiding. Is that a hat? It's a pretty good hat.